Hi, I'm MiaCole, and my science for project is over plant growth. My hypothesis is that if I instill bacteria into the soil of a plant, it will grow more in length than half the time. Bacteria makes nutrients available to the plants, so putting more bacteria into the soil will possibly make the plants soak up more nutrients. For my procedure, I started by sterilizing my sand for 45 to 60 minutes. I prepared my pots by getting a 2/3 cup of mud and putting it into 3 pots. I put 2/3 cup of sand and put it into 3 pots. Then I took 1/3 sand and 1/3 mud and mixed it into 3 pots for the sand mud group. Then I took 2 germinated wheat seeds and put them into each pot. After 2 weeks, I gathered up my shoots from the plant and measured the mass. For my first level of testing, I measured the shoots in grams. First, you need to cut your shoots from all the plants and measure each group, which is sand, mud, and sand mud group. Next, I recorded the length in centimeters. I also cultured the bacteria in the soil using the following material. Get 1 gram of soil from each grouping. Use a test tube and put 10 milliliters of distilled water, then agitate. Wait for the soil to settle, and while you're waiting, you can also prepare your petri dish with your nutrient adder. After all the soil has gone to the bottom of the test tube, get 1 milliliter of water into a pipette and only put a drop onto your petri dish. Incubate them for 24 hours. I did the procedure twice, and both times the bacteria overgrew. I ran out of materials, so I couldn't further test my bacteria. In conclusion, my data did not support my hypothesis. The sand plant grew the most. The average of growth of the sand plant was 10 centimeters. The average in mud was 6 centimeters. The average in mud sand was 5 centimeters. I also recorded the mass in grams. The sand plant was 0.1982 grams, the mud plant was 0.1684 grams, and the mud sand plant was 0.1118 grams. All of my data shows that sterile sand grew the best, and I think it's all because of water filtration, and because wheat doesn't need a lot of water to grow, and I think the mud was actually drowning it. Thank you.